Bank locker theft. Is there any compensation policy behind that? Recent thefts of bank lockers, including one that took place just a few days ago at an Indian overseas bank branch in Chinhat, Lucknow, have caused serious questions on how far bank policies measures up to being enough to compensate a locker holder. Consider the Chinhat robbery, which robbed cash and valuables worth more than 1 crore rupees, and it clearly posed a serious question. Banks give compensation of only up to 100 times the annual fee of lockers, far below the actual value of the items stored in them. How compensation works, a bank's standpoint. Bank officials clarify that while they ensure security protocols, the compensation for locker theft is limited. Compensation is capped at 100x the annual locker service charge. The amount varies depending on the locker's size and bank's fee structure. For instance, small lockers 1,500 annual fee to 1,50,000 compensation. Large lockers 9,000 annual fee to 9 lakh compensation. The process after a theft. When a robbery occurs. Notification. Customers are informed and asked to report stolen contents. Documentations. Customers must submit an affidavit and proof of ownership, including purchase receipts or property-related documents. Investigation. Banks investigate the theft and then disperse the capped compensation. Proof of ownership is crucial. For example, jewelry, receipts, or house tax papers for stolen property deeds. Bank safety measures. Are they sufficient? Banks emphasize their security systems, which include a dedicated security department at each branch, premises approved by security officers before daily operations, regular meetings with local police to review security protocols, maintenance of alarm systems to ensure they are in working condition. Despite these measures, the recent spate of thefts suggests a gap in ensuring foolproof locker safety. Customers speak. Are they truly protected? Locker holders are increasingly questioning whether banks are doing enough to protect their valuables. Many believe compensation limits are outdated and insufficient. High-value items stored in lockers deserve better insurance coverage. Banks should take full responsibility for lockers' contents, similar to the way they protect amount balances. What can customers do? Insure valuables. Consider additional insurance for high-value items stored in lockers. Maintain proofs, keep all receipts and documents related to locker contents. Monitor bank policies, stay informed about bank safety protocols and locker agreements. A call for change. The recent incidents highlight an urgent need for policy revisions. Banks should reevaluate compensation caps to align with modern realities. Enhance security. From AI-driven surveillance to biometric verification, banks must adopt advanced safety measures. Transparent communication. Clearer terms about risk and responsibilities for locker holders. Is it time for banks to take greater accountability for locker safety, or should customers rethink how they store their valuables? Share your thoughts.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.